सो गुड इवनिंग। सब लोगों ने चाय पी ली होगी। चाय से नहीं पी? किसी ने हाथ हिलाया? नहीं पी? सर आपके लिए मैं स्पेशली मंगवा के आपकी सीट पे पहुंचा देता हूं, लेकिन फिर भी कई सीट्स खाली हैं। सो मे आई रिक्वेस्ट फ्रॉम द टीम somebody can go out and tell the people to come in, क्योंकि अभी बंदा कोई खास आने वाला है, उसके लिए सब लोग आप आ जाइए अंदर। सो आए हो तो खुशी के गीत सुना कर जाइए, आए हो तो खुशी के गीत सुना कर जाइए, अंधियारों के शहर में उजियारों के लेकर आइए। मन का कोना रोशन हो जाएगा, मन का कोना रोशन हो जाएगा, रहनुमा भरी कोई ऐसी बात बताकर जाइए। सो फ्रेंड्स, I would request District Trainer Facilitator Designate to Shijit Puthan to kindly come and introduce PDG Deepak Shikarpur.
Thank you, Harsh. Friends, it's my privilege to introduce such a towering personality, towering by his achievements and towering by his looks when you look at him. And it becomes very difficult to introduce such kind of personalities in the given stipulated time. So I've tried to make it very concise. But I'm sure you would like to know more about him once you hear him out. And in case you want to know more about him, you can log on to deepak@deepakshikarpur.com. So friends, Dr. Deepak Shikarpur is an IT engineer with a global repute. He has obtained doctorate in his field of his profession, that is information technology. He was working for the Tata Group for 15 years, after which he turned into a technopreneur. His profession spheres over directorship with several global information companies and academic institutions. He is an honorary fellow of the Maharashtra Academy of Science, Computer Society of India, and an honorary fellow of the Institution of Engineers. He is a member of the executive of Maharashtra Chamber of Commerce, Industries and Agriculture. The union government has appointed him as a member of the task force to digitize our education as per the new education policy. He is a national IT board member and a member of the All India Council of Technical Education. He has so far authored 43 books, both in Marathi and English, on IT. He has won several awards from government and non-government bodies. On 3rd June 2016, a policy paper written on him on e-waste management was released by the Honorary Minister for Environment. Global India Business Forum has recognized him with the Excellence Award on Engineers Day on 15 September 2020. He was recognized by Rotary International President Gary Hong with the citation of meritorious service. Rotary International that image coordinator for Zone 7 for the year 2019-22. He has initiated careercounseling.com, a free online platform for professionals. So friends, please put your hands together for Dr. Deepak Shikarpur.
Thank you. So if you want to see a Rotarian riding a lion, then you have to go to Toledo Zoo. And thank you for those kind words. I wish my wife was present to hear you. ये एक्चुअली कैलाश का फोटो है, लेकिन दर्शना जी नहीं है और कैलाश भी नहीं है, लेकिन ये बचपन का कैलाश है। आप उनको बताइए कि वो कैलाश पर्वत पे लेके ये फोटो आया था। This is what you have to locate this fellow. I don't know how many of you read Diwali Anks. Annual forecast आता है. So if your star sign was projected in 2020, then you, because only those people made BMW and Mercedes, and rest of us suffered. So life is like that, friends. So lockdown changed our, to read each and everything because this is not my eye test, but our life has become totally different. Look at our education system. 2000 years back, the education model was Gurukul model. Gurukul model is where Shishya used to go and visit Guru in his Gurukul. Now we have a Gharkul model. Everything at home. So teacher from home, student from home, and I hope this situation changes. And this has also impacted Rotary. You all must have seen. How many of you remember Zoom was a Hindi word? Right? Till 2019, Zoom was a Hindi word. Even you remember DDLJ, Kajol क्या बोलती थी? जरा सा झूम लूं मैं. अभी same Kajol in 2021 says to Ajay Devgan जरा झूम पे आ जाओ. Because शादी के 30 साल के बाद virtually sex होता है. Okay. Now let us come to Rotary. Our organization is a global organization. So since most of you are in the audience are president-elects, you will have to instill this thought in all your members. You may be a member of a Rotary club, but you belong. And thanks to technology now, you are connected with all clubs in the world. You can attend meetings. You can participate in events. You can participate. कैलाश सॉरी यार मैंने आपका पिक्चर देखा दिया है. आप जरा पिक्चर बहुत अच्छा है. आप बाद में उनसे पूछो. So please understand we are a part of a global organization. And look at our reach. What used to be said about British Empire, sun never sets on Rotary. At any instant of time, there is prepads happening somewhere, there is a project happening somewhere, there is meeting happening somewhere in the world. Because at any instance of time, this is happening. And you are in city of Pune, and Pune city is famous for all crazy people. And that's why we have a mental hospital in Pune also. So if somebody wishes to attend all Rotary meetings in the world, it will take that fellow 88 years life. And after this is over, equal number of clubs will be born. So he will have to visit again one more life only for visiting clubs. Look at our geographic reach. How many of you want to go to South Pole? Just imagination, जब lockdown निकलेगा. Don't forget to attend Rotary Club of Marambio meeting because they meet on South Pole. After South Pole, you will be motivated to go to North Pole, Antarctica. Do you know that Rotary Club of Barrow meets on North Pole? After South Pole, North Pole, you will be deciding to go on high altitudes. World's sixth largest peak, Al Aguilar, Argentina, 16,252 feet has a Rotary Club. If you think Rotarians meet only on high altitudes, let me tell you, El Aguilar Club, after that, El Centro Club in California meets 40 feet below sea level. So this is our geographic diversity. And this is what we must understand and instill this globalness in each member. Now there is a quiz. कैलाश अभी क्विज तो देखो यार. What is the answer? I want quick because 3142 are all smart people. What is common amongst them? Huh? The real answer is all are famous people. Incidentally, they are Rotarians. So please understand, and here I can talk on this slide for many hours, but I want to only talk about Margaret Thatcher. Yes, because I am not famous. These are all rich and famous people. I am poor. I live below poverty line. So Margaret Thatcher was past president of Rotary Club of London. And when she was prime minister, on many occasions she used to attend Rotary meetings in London. And please, I don't know how many of you are aware, but Rotary Club of London is the first club outside of United States of America And that club was chartered in, I think, 1912. And when Kalyanda was RI president, he could visit the 100-year centenarial function. So please understand, we are an organization of very famous people. So feel very proud when you wear the Rotary pin. Feel very proud. Bichai Rattakul, Deputy Prime Minister of Thailand. You know, list is endless. Neil Armstrong, Kailash ji, in that same spirit. And Chandru is always there. Like a life cycle of a human being, even a Rotary Club goes through a life cycle. And many of you have confusion. Membership important hai, ya foundation important hai, ya public image important hai. My dear friends, these are all part of human body. Do you ever compare hand is more important or leg is more important or brain is more important? All are important. See, why people join the Rotary? Membership is very important. And a great philosopher had said 7 years back, movies run on only 3 things: entertainment, entertainment, and entertainment. But that was a dirty picture. Our picture is clean. And clubs run on only 3 things: membership, membership, and membership. Because members bring 3 things: tan, man, and dhan. All 3 are important. And every member contributes all 3 things in different forms and in different phases of life. So after you have an asset, see, today if you ask me, the real balance sheet of Rotary Club is membership. These are your real assets. Don't start calculating capital assets. Now these assets, what are they for? They do projects. Because we are here for doing projects. Then what happens? Our people talk good about you. And moment they talk good about you, you get more members. So this is the clear life cycle of a vibrant club. And there's a place where this gets broken. Club becomes a weak club. And Governor has already talked about it, so I don't want to steal the thunder. But we are an evolutionary organization and we are changing very fast. From attendance, we have shifted to engagement. From my year, we have shifted to strategic planning. From fundraising of individual. In fact, I do a 2-hour workshop on fundraising. Kailash, if you want to inspire people to become professional beggars, because I am a professional beggar. And I want to create more beggars like me. Because it is very easy to ask money for Rotary. So I do classes because people are very insecure. Paisa kaise mangu? We are not saying I love you. क्या फर्क पड़ता है? नहीं देगा पैसा और क्या होगा? But our fundraising model has to change. And unless and until we tap corporate resources, non-resident Indians and high net worth individuals, because please understand friends, people want to donate money. Every human being is a philanthropic person. Forget about his poverty or anything. Even a poor person does philanthropy. Our failure is we are unable to reach them. And this is where we have to be a passionate beggar. See how things have changed in the last 50 years. If you think change is happening in Doordarshan, it is happening in Bollywood also. Look at how many of you were born when Pakija was released. So how Rajkumar was chatting with Meena Kumari and how chatting happens now. If you think video calls are invented by Nokia, no. Manmohan Desai invented them. How many of you remember Amar Akbar Anthony? And this is how video calls were made in 70s. So the father or patent of video call should go to Manmohan Desai. Unnecessarily it goes to scientists. So even though this change is happening, our organization is going through challenging times. And this is where you saw in lockdown time also our membership went. We have a lot of problems. Our biggest concern is attendance. And it is very difficult to get people to attend projects and meetings. And most of the time I see, I am not talking about 3142, I am talking about world outside 3142. Clubs outside 3142, where weekly meetings, unfortunately they have understood as the other spelling of week. The word week has 2 spellings. So only in 3142 it is W-E-A-K. And outside 3142 it is other side of week. So we have to bring life into meetings. And there are many things you have to do to ensure that members attend with flesh and blood and ideas. Our other problem is youth doesn't connect with Rotary. Now let me ask you a very simple question. How many of you have your children in a Rotary? Only 2 hands. And this is the problem. Only 1.7% of Indian Rotarians have their children in Rotary. Because other people think we are an organization of old people. This is the perception which we have to change. Then we have another challenge. Youth not only connects with us, they don't join the Rotary, nor they participate. And this is one tip. Don't go after numbers. 100 सोनार की 1 लोहार की. That will earn you goodwill. Now, if you are sitting in this hall, because you are in 90% of presidents have attending this, so other 10% भाग गए. हाँ ठीक है. So because you are in the first part, you are participating. Corporate background, because it took me a lot of time. I came from a corporate background, and it took me a lot of time to adjust to Rotary culture. Because corporate leadership and Rotary leadership, there are changes. Biggest difference is in Rotary, everybody is same. In corporate leadership, you have a hierarchy. There is a span of control, and people are paid to do job. Here, you pay dues to Rotary. So getting work done from people is very, very difficult. And corporate models fail in Rotary. If you say, you do this because I tell you, nobody will do anything. But if you say, we have to do it, then there is a probability of things happening. So this model doesn't work in Rotary. I am the boss and you do. We all, boss has to be part of the team. So 21st century vision of Rotary is quality membership. Again here I request you, don't go after numbers. Don't go after awards. Because most of the time we have seen India is #1 country in the world for losing members. And once Raja Sabu had told our batch in Gates, Rotary membership in India is like a revolving door of Marriott Hotel. एक डोर से आते, दूसरे डोर से जाते. So our net performance, and you know, we recruit a lot of members with fanfare. And our world average says that 70% of Rotarians who join in our zones leave in first 2 years. So be very careful whom you are choosing. Don't go after numbers. Don't go after my year, मेरे साल में आ जाओ बाद में देखो. Don't have this attitude, because we want sustainable members. Then focus on effectiveness, because efforts are not important in Rotary. And here I will tell you a very short story, because unless you tell a story, you don't become PDG. See, this is a story of 2 spirits. I know you are going to become spirited after 4 hours. But this is a story of 2 spirits. A religious leader and a bus driver of BEST die at the same time. And their spirit appears in front of Chitragupta. I will tell you very shortly. And Chitragupta tries to evaluate. And based on their work performance, he declares that bus driver will go to heaven and religious guru will go to hell. And the guru gets upset. He files a complaint with $1,000. And then he says, what are you telling? I am spreading message of God over last 50 years and you are sending me in hell. Then the answer which Chitragupta gave is applicable for you Rotarians. The answer is, Mr. Religious Leader, when you were speaking, audience was sleeping. But look at this bus driver. When he was driving bus, everybody remembered God. So the real message of spreading message of God was done by him. So please understand, results are more important. Efforts have no meaning. Don't tell somebody, मैंने इतना किया, मैंने उतना किया. बाद में answer क्या? Kannada has a fantastic word, illa. Illa, which was invented by Bhaskaracharya many years back. I see in many Rotary programs and projects, illa happening very, very often. This is our ultimate goal, my dear friends. See, there is a good news and bad news in this picture. This boy is from Palghar, in some Adivasi Padi, in part of 3142. He doesn't have clothes, but due to today's lockdown model, he has to have a laptop. And our job is to make him RI president after some years. So we run after all the programs, basic education and literacy, disease prevention and treatment. And after that, he will become. The good news is he will become RI president. The bad news is I won't be alive to see that thing. So become smart. Even Panchatantra Crow has become smart. Gone are the days, wo patthar dal ke pani bhi alag zamana chala gaya. Now he will take a straw and start drinking because please understand, patience. People have become impatient. Nobody has time. And then we have a goal congruence problem. Fantastic problem. The problem is you are brought in prepaids. Then Kailash will go to, abhi hamare zamane mein San Diego hua karta tha, now he will go to Florida. So he will be trained by world's best faculty. Then he will come back. Then he will start training everybody in DTTS. Then comes PATS. Then comes assembly. Then comes July 1 and clubs do what they want. Okay. This is our problem. So, ये पूरा ट्रेनिंग का पर्पस क्या हो गया? There is a Sanskrit word, mithya. Goal. Then comes, this is what I was, I think you mentioned, Chandu. We have many types of clubs. And I am sure 3142 hopefully doesn't have this variety. But this is our zone variety. First is a fantastic club. They will perform year after the year. No, whether governor is X or Y, their performance will be always there. Then there are erratic performers. एक साल में बहुत अच्छा काम, 2 साल go to sleep, third year good. This is another performance. Third is indifferent club. क्या फर्क नहीं पड़ता. कोई भी गवर्नर हो, कोई भी पेट्स में जाओ, कोई भी ट्रेन करो, हमको जो चाहिए वही करेंगे. इनफैक्ट अ गवर्नर इज अ गेस्ट इन देयर ओसीवी. तो दीज आर इंडिफरेंट क्लब्स. उसे मराठी में एक वर्ड है आत्ममग्न, ऑटिस्टिक क्लब्स. दे आर इनटू देयर ओन वर्ल्ड. आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड डजंट एग्जिस्ट. Then comes non-contributor club. Nothing. No membership growth, no foundation, nothing. But they are existing. The last variety is an Indian variety. ईश्वरी क्लब. माने तुम्ही ईश्वर बघितला का? तुम्हाला तुमचा विश्वास आहे ना? So Sunil believes that he believes that Ishwar exists. So he prays. These clubs are like that. These are trust-based clubs. No installation, no OCV. But dues are paid because they are divine clubs. Votes happen. Votes आता है. But club is non-existent. So this Ishwari club should not be there. I pray to God that 3142 don't have this club. So then comes to the topic now, why you are here? Because you have to become vibrant. I know after 7 p.m. you will become vibrant. But you have to make your club vibrant. So this is the rice plate of a Rotary club. And please understand, in the Rotary rice plate, there is no puri bhaji. Because most of the clubs, you have to do it all. This is full syllabus. You have to grow membership, you have to have youth, you have to have minimum one intract club, one Rotary club. You must participate in foundation programs. You must contribute to Rotary Foundation. You must do service projects. You must do public image. So this is the rice plate. But what is 50% clubs doing? They will do partially, which is what low hanging fruits. जो आसानी से मिलता है वो सब कुछ करते हैं. जो डिफिकल्ट है वो नहीं करने का. एंड अल्टीमेटली पीपल थिंक एक ही साल है, ज्यादा मच क्यों करता है. I will do what I want. So please understand, and this is why you have a team. So unless you believe in delegation, this won't happen. So Stephen Covey, if he was a Rotarian, he would have written a different book. And different 7 habits will appear in his book. So these are your habits. Again, I am not reading each and everything, but tan man dhan de do. Do everything with passion. Delegate. Delegation is a very important management technique in Rotary. Because those presidents who think, मैं सब कुछ कर लूंगा, कुछ नहीं होगा. You and your wife will be the only workers. And if you would have done that with more contribution, at least you would have increased population of the world. But वो भी नहीं कर सकते. So delegate and spare more time. Then another thing I am in Rotary I have seen, and this is also true with some district officers. What others do, I get credit. And कुछ गलत हो गया, उसने किया. Exactly उल्टा होना चाहिए. And Buck Rogers have written a fantastic book, The IBM Way, which I had read for almost 30 years back. And he says, IBM Way, appreciate people in public and criticize in private, 1-to-1. In Rotary, we do exactly opposite. This is not going to work. कोई और धक्का मार रहा है और आप क्रेडिट ले रहे हो, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता बॉस. And if you think Rotary leadership is very difficult, let me tell you, there are many Indians who do more difficult things than this. Can you do this job? You can't do. Running a Rotary club is easier than this. See, you have to get along. You are going to take a very difficult decision in next 1 month time, which is to elect your board. And here, one mistake which you should not do. People who are praising you for last 2 years, don't include them in the board. See, the real leader is a one who gets along with people whom he doesn't like. But if that fellow has a skill, if you have a person who fights with you, but he can raise funds, make him foundation director. And I'm telling you, your relationship will improve after 1 year. So, 50% of your success is guaranteed if you pick up the right team. And this decision you have to make immediately, because you have to report your BOD in next 1 or 2 months. Here, if you don't go by merit and skills, then you are finished. See, animal world teaches you. Smile. But it happened with me. I spoke about this in one prepaid, and I was in a function, and one lady came to me. And when ladies come to me, I feel very happy. I also keep smiling. So she told me, you are the Deepak Shikarpur. You told my husband, smile. I said, yes. Then he only smiles after looking at beautiful ladies. So ye selective smiling mat karo. Smile at every situation, you will win. Then conflicts will come. You can resolve conflicts if you go to a watering hole. But here is a tip. After 1 hour, crisis will increase. So limited period offer hai. Because this, after beyond 1 hour, then they will go into past life and lot of other problems will start. Ego has to go. The problem in Rotary is ego. If there is a similarity in picture, it is coincidence, okay? You have to give space to beneficiaries and others. Don't say I and I. If you want to learn more, because Kailash is looking at me with aggressive smile, my time is getting over. And if you need more information, I am available for next 2-3 hours. There are many learning centers. I am also available virtually. And if some of you happen to come to Pune, because I find that 3142 and 3131, we have similar cultures, then I conduct free offline classes after 7 p.m. and free online classes in the daytime. Okay. Many of you will land up in this situation. आपको समझ नहीं आएगा क्या ये पास्ट प्रेसिडेंट इधर है उधर है सब जगह पे. But there has to be a solution. Solution. Please understand. ये apple juice है. This is apple juice. And please understand, India is liquid economy. 2 liquids run the country. One is petrol, diesel, and others are the Madhya Sevaks because they contribute taxes. If they don't contribute taxes, Pushan, my friend, is here. Please understand, this is for you. So don't try to convert, because our tax collection will go down because of people like you. So Pushan, this is apple juice for you. Incidentally, Pushan and me, we are school friends, but we agree to disagree on liquids. This is Kailash after 1 year. सबको आपको काम पे लगाएगा और बाद में OCV पे जा रहा है अभी. This is Kailash going to official club visits after some time. Just chill out. And if you delegate, if you follow this winning principle, then life is very easy. Thank you, friends. You listened to me and tolerated me for last 30 minutes. And I hope to interact with you. No.
थैंक यू सर. सर मजा आ गया आपकी बातें सुनकर. आगे बढ़े सर. मजा आ गया आपकी बातें सुनकर. आप यहां खड़े थे, सब लोग ने स्टैंडिंग ओवेशन दी.